In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your way through Jira to view the history of your projects. Whether you're new to Jira or looking to improve your project management skills, understanding how to access and interpret your history can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Jira. Once you're logged in, you will see various options, but for today we're interested in the Your Work section. This is usually found on the top navigation bar of the Jira interface. Clicking on this will take you to a dashboard that gives you a snapshot of your recent activities and projects. Next, you'll want to select the specific project you're interested in. If you're working on multiple projects, Jira conveniently lists them all out for you. Simply find the project that you're looking to explore and click on it. This will bring you into the project's workspace, where you can see all the details related to that project, including sprints, backlogs, boards, and more. Now, to start getting into the nitty-gritty of your project's history, you'll want to focus on the Issues tab. This is where all the tasks, bugs, stories, and epics related to your project are listed. The Issues tab is a goldmine of information because it lets you track the progress of your project at a granular level. Click on Issues to see a list of all the created items for your project. Upon selecting Issues, you might notice that there's a lot going on. To find the history of a specific issue, look for the Comments section within an issue's detail view. Comments are often used by team members to leave notes, updates, or feedback on an issue. This can give you some context on the issue's progression and any conversations that have taken place around it. But to truly understand the life cycle of an issue, you'll want to click on the History tab within an issue. This is where Jira shines, offering you a chronological timeline of every single change that has occurred. Whether it's status updates, assignee changes, or field modifications, the History tab captures it all. This feature is particularly useful for auditing purposes or when you need to backtrack and understand the evolution of a particular issue. While reviewing the history, it's beneficial to take your time to understand the context behind each change. For instance, if an issue has been reassigned multiple times, it might indicate a problem in task clarity or difficulty. Similarly, frequent status changes might reveal bottlenecks in your workflow. Now, let's talk about some tips for making the most out of Jira's history feature. Firstly, make use of the filter options. Jira allows you to filter history entries by date, user, and change type. This can be incredibly handy when you're looking for specific events or trying to analyze patterns over a certain period. Secondly, if you're part of a larger team, encourage your colleagues to leave detailed comments when making changes. This enriches the historical data and makes it much easier for anyone reviewing the history to understand the reason behind each action. Lastly, remember that the History tab is more than just a log of changes. It's a powerful tool for project management and team collaboration. It enables transparency within the team, helps in identifying patterns of issues, and aids in making informed decisions for project improvements. In conclusion, Jira's history function is a robust feature that offers deep insights into the life cycle of your project's issues. By knowing how to access and analyze it, you can enhance your project management skills significantly. Remember, effective use of Jira's history can lead to more efficient project workflows and ultimately the successful completion of your projects. Whether you're troubleshooting, auditing, or simply curious about the journey of an issue, the History tab is your go-to resource. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in guiding you through viewing history in Jira. As always, practice makes perfect, so I encourage you to explore the history feature in your own projects. Happy Jira-ing! That wraps up our session for today. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to practice what we've gone through to become even more proficient in using Jira for your project management needs.